All right, our fluency. What is the difference? Difference between these two numbers. Difference means we are subtracting. And when we're subtracting, we have to line up our decimals. So I have 19 and 8/10 minus 16 and 786 thousandths. Yes, we can put our placeholder zeros here. And now we can begin to subtract. So when we subtract 0 minus 6, we cannot do. Let me move this down a little bit. There we go. 0 minus 6 we can't do, so we have to borrow. Oh, we can't borrow from that 0, so we have to borrow from this 8. The 8 becomes a 7 to make this one a 10. Now that this is a 10, we can borrow from this 10 to make it a 9 to make this a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is going to be 3 and 14 thousandths. So 3.014. Let me write that down here for us. 3.014. All right, let's see the next one. Quotients. The quotient means we're going to divide. When we divide, do we have to line up any decimals? No. So we have 600. Maybe. 600, or I'm sorry, not 600. 6, whoa! Oh my goodness. Stop. There we go. 6 and 48 hundredths divided by 1 and 2/10. Now, we have to move this decimal on the outside to make it a whole number. So we're going to move it over 1. So that means we have to move this decimal in 1. And then we can pop it up. Can 12 go into 6? No. Cannot go into 6. Can 12 go into 64? Yes, it can. I think 12 can go in. What if we did 5 times, or let's try 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Ooh, so what about 5 times? 12 times 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Yeah, so it can go in 5 times. 5 times 12 is going to be 60. Whoa, whoa! That was actually too much of eraser. 5 times 12 is 60. There we go, here we go. All right, now let's subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down that 8. How many times can 12 go into 48? What about 4 times? 12 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. Woohoo! We can go in 4 times. 12 times 4 is 48. We subtract and we get 0. There's no more remainders. There's nothing left to bring down. So our answer is 5 and 4/10. Last but not least, we're going to find the product. That means we're going to multiply. And we do not have to line up our decimals when we're multiplying. So we're going to push them all to the right. So we have 67 and 12 hundredths times 2 and 5/10. All right, 5 times 2. There we go. 5 times 2 is going to be 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is going to be 6. 5 times 7 is going to be 35. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Now we are done with this 5, so we're going to put a placeholder 0. We're also done with these remainders. I'm actually just going to erase them up there so we can get rid of them. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is going to be 14. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Ooh, sorry. We're going to add these now. We're going to move this on over. There we go. Let's add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 3 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now that decimal in 1, 2, and 3. So in 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 167 and 8/10 or 800 thousandths. They are both the same thing. And that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job!